Hello everyone. Want to verify PayPal without using your real number? Here's how to do it using a virtual phone number. So this is the step you can do to confirm your phone number, right? So just go to the PayPal settings page and you'll find phone numbers there and just click add new. So this is where you usually add your phone number, but in this case you'll have to use your virtual phone number. Then enter the number, select phone type, then add phone number, choose text your code or call to confirm, then validate. So this is the step to confirm. All right. So in order to get a virtual phone number, you need to sign up an eSIM that actually gives you a cell number or phone number, and it don't work with any other eSIMs. Just those that actually gives you a number. So yeah, a bunch of free virtual phone number, but I'd recommend you get a paid one from Airelo or Saley or Holafly or any other provider that actually gives you a number. Or you can buy a UK phone number or USA phone number and then add that to your PayPal and then verify. Right? So that is how you can choose and then simply verify the number on PayPal. So make sure you get a virtual phone number from a reputable carrier that actually gives you a virtual number along with your eSIM. All right. So once you get that, you can confirm your phone number on PayPal. But I'd recommend you use your local number as virtual phone numbers might not like last long. Or if you choose to change your carrier or package, that number will be gone. So that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.